Focus. I don't need the glass seat that far away. But there was something I had at a restaurant just the other day, and I thought, how hard could this be? So I went and bought like an inexpensive chuck roast, right? And I threw some onions and stuff in my crock pot, and I'm going to turn this around a little. Maybe you can see my little crock pot here. Yeah, it looks like one of Paul's. And I just thought, wow, I bet I could do this. I bet I could. So, right here. I'm going to see how well this works. I usually use a hero. But this just seemed to be something that might work out really well. So I decided I would do that. So as you can see, I have green peppers, I have red peppers, I have mushrooms, I have beautiful onions, and so I am making tacos. But the problem is I'm keto. I am low carb, I am whatever. And when I went to this restaurant, they called them paleo, and that's because they did not have cheese in them, right? And any of you all who know me know I love cheese. So let me just go in here and see if I still have some cheese. Yes, I do. So, okay, just as a side note, is this not just so flippin' adorable? And I have these to go with them, courtesy of my beautiful sister, who is the best sewer in the world. Okay, so I put the meat on for an exceptionally long amount of time because I want it flaky, just pulling apart, because that's the way I like to eat my tacos. I have some onions and tomato all ready to go. It's almost like a pico de gallo, but I did not have today the one thing I need to have when you're making pico de gallo. I did not have any cilantro. There's nothing that says I cannot get it started. So I'm going to finish prepping the rest of what I'm doing, because everything takes a while to cook. So hold on a minute. Okay, I gotta tell you guys, I could eat these now raw. I'm a little hungry, and I should be careful what I do when I'm hungry. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna want grated cheese, and so here we go. Make sure I get the right side. That won't grate anything. I think we got to go this way. I do have a thing that grates. That's like a mandolin, but I always tend to cut myself. Okay. I love this pocket Osmo. Just answers so many questions. And it fits right. I gotta show you this kid. I'll bring it back. It fits right on this. Look at this. This is the thing I bought a while back. And look how it just fits on that. So when I go do my cooking, I just set it like that, and it's done. It's just bam. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to tell you something. That's how fast this thing goes. That's how fast. I love this thing. So what I want to do is I want it almost like for mine, for what I do. So I could just do the meat, the cheese, the lettuce, and that would be fine. But what I want is I want it almost fajita-ish. Fajita-ish? Is that a word? I'm going to cook these. Okay. And so I'm going to cook these till they get nice. Then I'm going to go into my green peppers. Then I'm going to go into my mushrooms, and then I'm going to throw them all together. in there. Oh, still goes down. Whoa, whoa. There we go. Okay. We cook these up and I'll be back. I'm gonna get my knife. Let's see how. Oh God. Okay, I need to show you this. Really, I do. Okay, guys. Is that on? I want to show you this. If you can see, I'm just pushing the meat. And all this was meat, little taco seasoning, you know, and I'm just kind of pushing it away from the thing. I'm not really having to cut it, as you can tell. There's plenty of fat in it. Okay, now I'm going to cut a little bit. Just now, mostly when we eat tacos, I don't know, maybe you have the same thing happening. Come back, you little piece of meat. Okay, just going to cut down the middle and see how that looks. Oh my God, it looks okay. I have to taste it because really, honestly, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, I did it for a little over an hour. Now, had I cut it up a little before I put it in, it would have cooked even faster. But I didn't feel like it today, so I didn't. What is this? Oh, I gotta grab it, don't I? Here we go. There's quite a bit of fat right here, so I'm kind of cutting through some fat. Okay, right? Oh my Lord. Don't want this one. Let me take this one, because this one won't catch as much juice in this crock pot, but I'll catch some. And I'm just going to slowly, because this has taco seasoning, really well cooked onions, right? So you want to make sure you get all that goodness in there. And I'm going to get another smaller plate and just pick up some of this meat that I can throw in my tacos, because you want all the bits, all the pieces. Okay, and move this. I am, guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I am pretty darn excited about this, because I had this at this one little restaurant, something similar. Of course, they're geniuses at this, and I'm just making something so I can have a taco when I want. It's not a small, slow process, but it can be depending on how you want to do your tacos. Okay, so I have vegetables. I have vegetables. I have meat. I have, okay, I'll show you what I did with these. I just did a whole thing of romaine and I just threw it in here. Yeah, I'm just crazy like that. I have some, what I call, close to pico de gallo, but I didn't put a lot of spice or anything in it. Just onions and tomatoes. You can handle them any way you want. That smelled really good. And I have cheese. So there are a couple ways I could do this, okay? I could grab this here, break off this really hard part because who needs that? And I could put stuff in my lettuce. Okay. Or I can order these, which is what they had at the place, so that's what I got. And here it is. Okay, I'll show you. Oh my God. Okay, hold on. Let me get them out. They're Fine Elements taco stand. Look at this. Okay. I gotta tell you, I was in the restaurant ordering these. And so what they did, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these and I'm gonna slip it in here. One of these, slip it in here, just like this. Take, let's see, which lettuce do I want? Take this and slip it in here. I don't like this one. I just picked the ones I want. Since I'm the only one here, I get to do it that way. I kind of slip this in here. Hold on, let me get this turned around and get this hard part off. Okay, there we go. So what I end up having is I end up having 3 places to put taco stuff in. Okay, so I grab my little guy here. You can see how this just sits in there. And I put meat in this center one. This is meat and onion with taco seasoning. Put it in my other one. Oh my gosh, I am so beyond hungry right now. Okay, and put it in here. That's 3 tacos. Then I come in and grab these vegetables. They can go in. Right? Then I'm gonna grab my pico de gallo because I like it. It's what I call pico de gallo. It's just a basic salsa. Put some of that on here. Okay. And then I love cheese. Now you can put guacamole. I didn't buy avocados. I was so sad. I can't believe I forgot my avocados. But I did. Now, if you're paleo again, don't put regular cheddar cheese. Okay. Okay, hold on. Now I'm going to move everything. Okay. It is so hot in here because I'm cooking, right? And I should know that by now. Oh my God. Okay, guys. Now. It better be as good as what it was in the, well, the restaurant is a Mexican restaurant. They are really good. Stop looking at me, Ranger. Oh my God. Okay. What I like about my taco holder is that it keeps them in shape. So all I have to worry about is eating them after I make all three. Okay, guys. I'll put a link. It is an affiliate link, but up to you if this would make your life easier. It does for me if I'm using lettuce wraps. But these lettuce wraps are really good. I'm just gonna keep eating them and never go. Hey, go have fun in your kitchen. I did. Okay, bye-bye.